Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a quick look at an interesting story. So, Windows 7, of course, the regular consumer version stopped being supported in January of this year, and it has, of course, several hundred security flaws now. But Enterprise have the ability to use long-term support versions if they pay for the support updates. And that version, of course, gets updated, but it costs a pretty big amount of money to companies to continue using it. So Google actually announced that it will be extending Google Chrome web browser support. So Google Chrome was supposed to stop being supported on Windows 7 in June of 2021. So Google Chrome was supposed to be updated with security updates and all of that, feature updates, until the month of June next year. Well, it seems that now they're extending this to January 15th, 2022. And they say that the main reason for this is that with COVID, the enterprise, all the companies and the businesses that wanted to upgrade to Windows 10, that kind of slowed down suddenly because they just, they weren't working or they just didn't have the resource to do so. So here we see the statistics of that is that 78% of companies that are reporting all of this are fully migrated to Windows 10 now. But in there's 21% in the process of migrating. So that means that part of their systems are probably there in Windows 10. Part of them are still in Windows 7. And 1% plan to start migrating soon. So this is the idea behind all of this right now. So, there's still millions and millions of computers running Windows 7 out there. And, of course, migrating to Windows 10 for some companies is a big deal. So it's not always fast. And it's not always done necessarily, you got old devices or you got special software that needs to be adapted. It's a very complex situation in many cases. But it's interesting to see that Google is now, of course, supporting. And they didn't say it, the way they said it is at least until, which means they're keeping that window open of maybe a little more. So that means probably that regular consumer versions might actually be able to get Google Chrome updates. It is still, if you're a consumer and you don't update your Windows 7, you are at risk and putting everybody at risk, and you probably are infected without knowing anyways. Anybody that pretends that, with the good security I have, Windows 7 is safe even without the updates, it's obvious you have no idea what you're talking about. So, that's the way it is. These enterprise have the long-term support, so it's different. They have security updates because they're paying for it. And so they are keeping safe because of that. So Google Chrome is extended support until the January 15th, 2022 now. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.